Hi friends. As always, before you start any project in the kitchen, make sure you wash your hands. With that completed, let's preheat our oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. You can't make banana bread without bananas, so let's talk about what kind of bananas to use. I prefer bananas where a majority of the peel is covered with dark brown spots. You really can use any over-ripened bananas, so long as they're not completely black or moldy. The first thing we'll do is unpeel our bananas and place them in a bowl. For this project, we'll use 3 bowls to mix ingredients in sections. We will use a loaf pan to bake our bread. Mash the bananas until they are a thick paste consistency. Next, we will add our tablespoon of milk to the bowl. We then will add our tablespoon of cinnamon. Mix these ingredients together and place this bowl to the side for now. We'll come back to it in just a couple of minutes. For our next bowl, we'll be creaming the sugar and butter together. First, let's add our 1 cup of granulated sugar. Then we'll add our stick of butter. I've microwaved this for about 20 seconds to soften it up. Mix these two together thoroughly until it has a nice, pasty consistency. Next, we will add our eggs. We will add 1 egg at a time, mixing after each egg has been added. Once that's finished, let's set this bowl off to the side. The final bowl will be the biggest. Everything will go in here eventually to be mixed. Let's start by adding our 2 cups of flour. Next, add your teaspoon of baking soda. Then, add your teaspoon of baking powder. We will finish up our dry ingredients with a teaspoon of salt. Next, we'll take our sugar, butter, and eggs mixture and add it to the dry ingredients. With that completed, let's add our banana, milk, and cinnamon mixture to this as well. It's now time to mix everything together. It's important to be thorough here. If needed, use a rubber spatula to make sure the bottom part of the mix is evenly distributed. Once our bread batter is mixed evenly, set that to the side for just a moment. I use a 1/4 stick of butter to grease the inside bottom of the pan. Make sure you get the sides and the corners as well. Now pour our batter into the grease pan. Level it out and place it in the oven. Set your timer for 1 hour and 5 minutes. When the timer expires, remove the pan from the oven and place it on the cooling rack while still in the pan. Insert a toothpick into the loaf. If you remove the toothpick and it's clean, the bread is fully cooked. Allow this to cool for about 10 to 15 minutes more. Remove the loaf from the pan and allow it to cool for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. Slice and serve with your favorite topping: butter, honey, or ice cream. My personal favorite is strawberry cream cheese. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, good luck and good eating.